Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil in your Ford Focus. First, gather all your tools and supplies, including new oil and a filter. Make sure your engine is warm, but not too hot, for the best oil drainage. Always park your car on a level surface and engage the parking brake for safety before you begin this important maintenance task. Now, let's get that old oil out. Slide your drain pan under the engine and locate the oil drain plug. Carefully remove it, letting all the old oil drain completely into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once it's fully drained, replace the plug and tighten it securely to prevent any leaks. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They are incredibly comfortable. You can find a link to them and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Next up is the oil filter. Locate the old filter and use a filter wrench to loosen and remove it. Be ready for a little more oil to drip out. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Then, hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, followed by an additional quarter turn. With the old oil out and a new filter in, it's time for fresh oil. Remove the oil fill cap on top of your engine. Slowly pour in the recommended type and amount of new engine oil. Consult your owner's manual for the exact specifications. After adding, check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more in small increments if needed until it reaches the full mark.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.